Hey there, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best action cameras on the market right now. Action cameras are small, durable, and designed to be used in extreme conditions. They are the perfect tool for capturing high-quality videos and photos of your favorite activities. We've scoured the internet and tested the top contenders to bring you the best action cameras of 2023. Whether you're into extreme sports or just want to capture your adventures, these cameras have got you covered. So without further ado, let's get into our top picks. If you want more information, be sure to check the links mentioned in the description below. So without further ado, let's get started. GoPro Hero 10 is our first choice. Hero 10 Black is GoPro's latest action camera, and they aren't slowing down. This camera features an upgraded processor that will allow it to shoot 4K video at 120 frames per second. Furthermore, it has an enhanced touchscreen display, a bigger battery, and improved stabilization. With a 23MP 1/2.3-inch sensor and 10-meter waterproofing, the Hero 10 Black is similar to its predecessor. But its most powerful feature is the new GP2 processor. It includes some new shooting modes such as 5K, 4K, and 2.7K. Also included are a much more responsive touchscreen interface, a handy wired data transfer mode for phones, and some under-the-hood improvements to image quality, including local tone mapping and low-light noise reduction. With its relatively small image sensor, the Hero 10 Black can still do only so much with the video quality. Battery life on the Hero 10 is the same as on the Hero 9. With this battery, the Hero 10 can run for 45 minutes at 5.3K 60 or an hour at 4K 60. The Hero 10 also works as a webcam. With the GoPro webcam utility software, it plugs into a USB port on a PC or Mac. It is also possible to take still photographs with the Hero 10. It can be used in photo mode to take 23MP photos. In-camera GPS automatically adds location metadata. With its size, durability, and 5.3K 60x capability, the Hero 10 remains a great action camera. This is the only camera of this size with this power. In second place, we have the Sony RX0 II. Sony is known for its cameras, and they've slowly made their way into action cameras. The RX0 II is expected to be their best action camera to date. It features a 1-inch sensor, which makes it capable of capturing high-quality photos and videos even in low-light conditions. Further, it will feature a tilting touchscreen, enhanced image stabilization, and RAW capability. While video quality is good in bright conditions, it's not that good in low light. You can also capture 960fps super slow-motion footage in 1080p, as well as regular videos at 120fps with the camera's high frame rate mode in 1080p. Its fork frame rates are limited, maximuming at 30fps. In addition, the camera's e-stabilization is only decent, so you'll need to use a gimbal to get smooth footage. Even though it looks and feels like an action camera, it doesn't really fit into a neat box. There is a small tilt-out screen that can be flipped up 180 degrees for selfies or vlogs, or down 90 degrees for high-angle shots. It is crush-proof, shock-proof, and waterproof. You can also connect video peripherals via the micro HDMI port and microphone jack, which isn't usual on action cams. This is an extremely rugged camera with impeccable build quality that seems pretty bomb-proof. It's also waterproof, shockproof, and crush-proof. So the RX0 II uses the same 1-inch 20-megapixel sensor as the original RX0 and Sony's extensive RX100 series. Additionally, the RX0 includes a microphone port that can be used to connect an external microphone to record high-quality audio. It's a 180-degree and 90-degree tiltable LCD screen that even works underwater if you wish to try vlogging there. It's also wirelessly connected to a smartphone via Sony's Play Memories app. In comparison with almost every other action camera, the Sony RX0 II is in a class all its own. Our third action camera is the DJI Action 2 dual screen. It's a strikingly small, rich-looking action camera with unmatched portability and style. Although it's not as good as the GoPro Hero 10 Black's video quality or utility, it's still a fantastic addition to the action camera world and a great choice for style and compactness. In conjunction with a clamp, it allows you to secure the Action 2 screen, either a detachable selfie screen or a battery, in place. The Action 2 screen is a square 1.76-inch touchscreen. While responsive and looking good, it is bright and punchy and easily viewed outside. The DJI Action 2 sensor has a lower resolution than that of the Hero 10 Black, clocking in at 12MP. With this camera, you'll get 4K video at 120 frames per second and photos at that resolution. You can also capture 4K video at up to 60 frames per second if you wish to use the full sensor. However, you will have to shoot in 1080p, which allows frame rates to climb as high as 240 frames per second. In addition to capturing time-lapse videos in 4K, 2.7K, and 1080p, the camera can also take photos and videos in Pro mode, which offers a number of manual settings. It is easy to navigate the interface. You can toggle resolutions by swiping up, mode by swiping left or right, and additional options by swiping down. It is compatible with voice-activated controls for hands-free shooting, just like the GoPro Hero 10 Black, so simple commands such as start recording, stop recording, take a picture, and shut down are easily recognized. DJI Action 2 also pairs with Android or iOS, iPad OS devices for remote control and live preview. If you're looking for the widest angle of view in the most portable package, DJI Action 2 is a better choice than GoPro Hero 10. It also offers excellent stabilization. We are at number 4, Insta360 GO II. The Insta360 GO II is a portable video camera touted as the world's smallest action camera. Portability is excellent, and it comes with a few different mounting accessories. With the magnet necklace, you can dangle the camera inconspicuously from the front of your shirt, capturing video in tight spots and from vantage points that are difficult to capture with bigger cameras. Insta360 GO II is a good camera for action video, however, it has a limited frame rate and resolution selection. It is still a decent camera if you are looking for an extremely portable camera with a good level of video stabilization. A slow-motion mode on the camera allows it to capture 1080 at 120 frames per second, and a magnet clip makes it easy to record chest-level POV footage. While it can record 4K video, its frame rate options pale in comparison. If you want a camera in a sleek, ultra-portable package, consider Insta360 GO II. It comes with a magnetic necklace for inconspicuous chest mounting, as well as a charger case that doubles as a tripod. However, it disappoints in its battery life, build quality, and frame rate and resolution options. Insta360 GO II has a small display showing settings, aspect ratio, and storage info, and is meant for use with your smartphone. It is easy to see the information display even in bright sunlight. Insta360 GO II shoots 1440p sharper than most cheap action cameras you may find on Amazon. Hats off to Insta360 for not merely performing a simple upscale and calling this a 4K camera. Insta360's new micro-size Go camera offers improved image quality and a remote control charging case. This makes it significantly more useful than its predecessor for the purpose of shooting video longer than 30 seconds. Although not suitable for everyone, the Insta360 GO II is a great option for vlogs or as a second action camera that can be taken almost anywhere. Finally, we have Insta360 RS 1-inch edition. It's one of the biggest competitors to GoPro in the action camera market, and the Insta360 R 1-inch edition fills the hole that GoPro has left. There's a large 1-inch sensor on the Insta360 R 1-inch edition like on the Sony RX0 II. But unlike the Sony, the Insta360 R 1-inch edition has very good stabilization and a menu system that doesn't look like it's from a DSLR. The Insta360 R 1-inch edition stands out among action cameras due to its innovative approach. As an action camera, the modular platform with the 1-inch sensor raises the bar for image quality and video detail. It produces smooth video recordings, decent audio from within the camera, and excellent still photographs. It's ideal for anyone wanting to produce creative travel, sports, and activity content. It can capture up to 5.3K video at 30 frames per second with a bitrate of 100 maps. Some might consider this to be overkill. However, it allows for enhanced flexibility when editing in post-production and for the addition of software stabilization as required. It is also capable of recording video at a standard 4K resolution and capturing still images at a resolution of 19 megapixels. It offers everything you could ask for from an action camera while raising the bar for image quality in a subtle yet meaningful manner, particularly if you care about image detail and color faithfulness. Overall, the picture quality from the 1-inch edition is pretty good. The camera provides a high level of detail, and its dynamic range is considerably greater than that of most traditional action cameras. It has a fixed aperture off and a focal length of 14.4mm in 35mm terms. It is possible to record 4K video up to 60 frames per second with a recording resolution of 5312 by 988 at up to 30 frames per second. Similar to the other mods, the 1-inch records in a 264 or 265 compression at around 100 maps. With its 1-inch sensor, the Insta360 R 1-inch edition has the largest sensor of any true action camera on the market. And there you have it, our top picks for the best action cameras on the market right now. Whether you're a seasoned adventurer or just looking to capture some great footage, these cameras are sure to get the job done. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more videos like this one.